Oh, Owen's having to drag his scooter up there. Come up the ramp and then go around and drop in, Owen. Now go that way. Okay. What? Are you serious? Hey, don't forget, we came all this way for you to play hockey.
There's no way I'm doing this.
Good.
Come look at it.
I'm glad you're using your smart brain.
Come look at it. It goes like this.
Yeah, no.
No, never mind. It goes like this. Here's the steepest incline. It goes like this, and then comes down.
Yeah, no. Don't go near it.
Oh, I want to jump this though.
No. Owen!
Jump it. Jump the other side.
Go, O! Go, O! Yeah!
Ready, Mom?
Yep.
Jump this.
Jump what?
Oh!
Nice!
I can get good air. Here I go.
Okay. You gotta get back a ways. Nice. And here comes Owen! Woo! And there goes Owen!